Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back with a new review at YouTube channel at Motor Review. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Today, I am excited to introduce you to the 2025 Ford Expedition, a full-size SUV that seamlessly blends power, innovation, and versatility to meet the diverse needs of modern families. Performance and capability. At its core, the 2025 Expedition is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking enhanced performance, the Tremor and Platinum trims offer a high-output version of this engine, boosting power to 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this SUV ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. Notably, the Expedition boasts a maximum towing capacity of up to 9,600 pounds, making it ideal for hauling trailers, boats, or campers. Design and dimensions. The 2025 Expedition presents a refreshed exterior with a more cohesive design. The front end features winged LED daytime running lights and an illuminated bar below the grille, enhancing its wide stance. At the rear, the new split folding liftgate offers both convenience and versatility, doubling as a bench or table when needed. Available in both standard and extended Max versions, the Expedition caters to varying space requirements, with the Max version providing additional cargo capacity. Interior and technology. Inside, the Expedition sets a new standard for SUV interiors. The dashboard is dominated by a 24-inch panoramic display, providing clear visuals for both the driver and front passenger. Complementing this is a 13.2-inch Sync touchscreen infotainment system, offering seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The integration of the Ford digital experience ensures that drivers have access to the latest software and connectivity features, enhancing the overall driving experience.